What's up? What's up? Road dogs in the house. Felony riders in the house. Road dogs in the house. Cycle Kings in the house. High Rollaz in the house. Social Club. SUV. Auto Club. Crazy Dozen in the house. Plainfield in the house. Thunder Guard in the house. Soul Survivors in the house. Disrupt Riders in the house. Got Gold Wings in the house, sports bikes. High Rollaz got the block on lock. You see what it is. Saturday, May 2nd, 2026. Meet and greet. We still out here. The food truck. Got the cigar lady. Open bar on the inside. Come inside, pull up to the bar, get some drinks. Rough Riders in the house.